Have you ever wondered how your favorite websites power all their dynamic content from logins to interactive forms? If you've been curious about the tech behind the web, you've probably heard of PHP. But what is PHP and why is it such a cornerstone of the web development world? Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. Today we're exploring one of the most popular programming languages behind many of the websites you visit daily, PHP. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, and it's a widely used open-source scripting language designed specifically for web development. It was initially created in 1994 by Rasmus Lerdorf, and since then it has evolved into one of the most powerful tools for building dynamic websites and applications. PHP scripts run on the server side, which means they process the user's requests before sending the output, usually HTML, back to the client's browser. This versatility is a key reason why PHP is used by major platforms like Facebook, Wikipedia, and WordPress. As a server-side language, PHP can manage forms, handle sessions, and even interact with databases. That makes it perfect for websites that need to store and retrieve data dynamically, like online stores and social networks. Now, you might be wondering, is PHP a programming language or a scripting language? The answer is, it's both, but with an emphasis on scripting. Programming languages are typically designed to build applications from scratch, while scripting languages like PHP are more commonly used to automate tasks within other software environments. PHP's scripting nature means it's focused on tasks like dynamically generating HTML content or interacting with databases. Because PHP scripts are executed in real time on the server, they can handle user inputs, retrieve relevant information, and then deliver customized content back to the browser, all on the fly. So, while PHP contains programming logic like loops, functions, and conditionals, its primary strength lies in scripting tasks for web applications. So, how does a PHP script actually work? A basic PHP script usually starts with the following opening tag and ends with the following tag. Inside these tags, you can write PHP code that interacts with the server, processes data, or generates HTML. For example, a common use case is form handling. When a user submits a form, PHP scripts can validate the data, send it to the database, and then display a confirmation message, all within milliseconds. Here's a small example of what a PHP script might look like. This script, when processed by the server, outputs "Hello World" in the browser. It's a simple illustration, but PHP scripts can become far more complex as they interact with other technologies like MySQL, APIs, or even JavaScript for a truly dynamic user experience. One of the biggest advantages of PHP is its simplicity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, PHP offers an easy learning curve. The syntax is clean and straightforward, making it accessible even for those just starting out in web development. Additionally, since PHP is open source, it's free to use, and there's a massive community of developers who contribute to libraries, frameworks, and tutorials. Performance is another huge perk. PHP is designed to work seamlessly with HTML, which allows it to generate web pages quickly. Pairing PHP with a reliable hosting solution ensures your website runs smoothly even as your traffic scales. This makes PHP ideal for high-demand environments where response time is crucial. PHP has an extensive collection of frameworks that can speed up development and improve the security of your applications. Popular frameworks like Laravel, Symfony, and CodeIgniter provide pre-built modules for tasks like user authentication, form validation, and database interaction. This allows developers to focus on the unique aspects of their applications rather than reinventing the wheel. These frameworks also come with built-in best practices for security, performance, optimization, and code structure, making it easier to develop scalable and maintainable applications. With Rapyd Cloud's advanced hosting services, you can deploy your WordPress sites on our servers and take advantage of our top-tier performance, security features, and 24/7 support, ensuring your website is always running at its best. Click the link in the description to get started with Rapyd today. So, to sum it all up, PHP is a powerful server-side scripting language that's become essential for building dynamic and interactive websites. Whether you're using it to handle user forms, manage databases, or power an entire content management system like WordPress, PHP makes web development both accessible and efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights on web development, hosting tips, and everything you need to elevate your online presence. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.